Right, so I'm going to show you how to recover a YouTube video that you've deleted or a deleted YouTube video. Now, if you go to youtube.com, sign into your account, and then navigate to YouTube Studio, that's where you can find your content. Now, if you have any video that's been deleted, unfortunately, there's really no easy way of getting that video back. In fact, when you're deleting, it actually warns you that deleting a video is a permanent action. Okay, I can show you with this one. So for instance, if I come here and click on delete forever, you can see it says here, I understand that deleting a draft video from YouTube is permanent and cannot be undone. And this works for every video. Now, having said that, you can still be able to recover a deleted YouTube video if you reach out to creator support. And fortunately, these days, once you're a partner especially, there's a creator support button here, and you can chat with a support person live. Okay, so you can just click on this button, and sometimes it's gonna need some permission. You can click on allow and then confirm. You're basically allowing your browser to support this YouTube help, and you can see, hi, I'm YouTube help designed to answer your question. How can I help you? And then you can go in there and type in your problem, explain that you deleted a video, maybe it was an error, or maybe you've changed your mind and you kind of want YouTube, the people on the back end of YouTube to help you recover your deleted video. So you just try and explain your problem as much as possible. There's going to be feedback, so you're going to be chatting live. So make sure you set enough time for that so that you can chat and explain your way, and try to be as polite as possible while you're at it. And hopefully the people working at YouTube should be able to help you get your deleted videos back. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this useful. I hope you get your videos back. In fact, if you do, let us know in the comment section. Good luck.